Welcome to our epic GPU showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti. These two graphics cards cater to different segments of gamers, and we'll explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 is a solid choice for gamers who primarily play at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. It offers good performance for its price, featuring 12 GB of GDDR6 memory. However, it may struggle with more demanding games at higher resolutions. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti is designed for enthusiasts, delivering exceptional performance at high resolutions, including 4K gaming. With its 16 GB of GDDR7 memory and NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, it outperforms the RTX 3060 significantly. In terms of memory, the GIGABYTE RTX 3060 comes with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is quite adequate for most gaming scenarios. However, the MSI RTX 5070 Ti boasts a larger 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, allowing it to handle more demanding applications and higher resolutions with ease. This difference in memory capacity can significantly impact performance in memory-intensive games and applications. Lastly, let's talk about price. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 is priced at $354, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti comes with a significantly higher price tag of $834, reflecting its premium performance and advanced features. The choice between these two cards will largely depend on your budget and gaming needs. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 is an excellent choice for gamers on a budget or those primarily playing at 1080p 1440p. The MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti, however, is a top-tier card designed for the best possible gaming experience, delivering outstanding performance at a higher price point. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your budget, desired resolution, and performance needs. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.